Turned.
Oh, I need a picture.
Let's go. Both hands here. Okay, relax. Good. Hands on the chest. So cross them. So this one goes there, and this one. Maybe you're nervous right now.
This way?
Yeah. Good. Look up there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got that one. Okay. So lay on your side facing towards me. That's one we might need to try on you. That one. That one goes on you pretty loud sometimes.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, let's go up to the edge.
I'm gonna do this.
Denim, denim, denim. Denim, denim, denim. Denim, denim, denim. Denim.
Nice. Oh, crunchy.
Hold on. Wait.
Right.
I'll just do it from here.
Okay, relax.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
Yeah, that was a loud one. Take
And then
the neck.
you're gonna have her sit there?
Yeah. I can do it seated.
Now you have the Mario songs in my head. Who knew you were a nerd?
Super nerd of a
Yes.
cartoons that I watched.
What do you mean, who knew?
Dragon Ball Z.
I knew.
Mm-hmm.
We all knew. That trash can's really
your butt
bugging
down.
me, but whatever.
I'm glad I took his trash out at the end of the day like he's supposed to. After you saw like no patience. Is that filming?
Yeah. we won't use that.
Scoot my down a little more. Slouch a little more.
Down?
You're good there.
Look relaxed.
Okay, yeah, here we go.
Act natural.
And
Oh yeah. So good after you do it. So good.
that was good.
Yeah, thank you.
Didn't even die or anything. All right, we'll sit right here.
Didn't die, not today, Dad.
Here.
Oh.
Hand here. All right. Pull. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, 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 pull.
Oh, where?
That's what I never
Pull, pull,
understood.
pull. There we go. Maybe wrists.
Wrists.
Your wrists need to go.
Hold on. Let me go this way. What? I'm
You're
professional.
letting run around this thing. All right. There it was.
He's like crunchy. Oh yeah.
Got one. Go there.
All put back together.
Oh, good.
Save your wrist.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I have a feeling your scapula will go.
What do you need me to do?
Let's just check this first. Not crazy loud. No, unless.
My
Stand
scapula?
up. My scapula. Scapula, scapula. A little bit. This one usually pops out. Nope. Not today.
Not today.
Aww. Thank you.